very proud to be independent lawyers and not being associated to anybody else except our client. We always try to respect, there is no conflict of interest at all. We're not associated with builders, with developers, with estate agents, or with any other people who could interfere in the relationship between us and the client. We are fully bilingual in many languages, and our objective is to sort problems out, help people out in their language.
At the end, I would say about four or five pillars that we are specialists, which is immigration, which is civil, which is property, contracts, family matters, companies, which is also commercial contracts, and taxes. All that points at the end through an umbrella of international law, because most of our clients are international.
We go on the radio, we do seminars at the university, we do seminars with the expat community and even with the Spanish community about how important it is to use and to know international law on this worldwide situation where we are.
In 20 years of experience, at the end what you learn is to listen very carefully, understand the client interests and understand the client's needs, the fears, the limitations. These 20 years give us experience, give us a lot more knowledge, but at the end this communication with the client is essential to focus the case perfectly.
With no communication there is no possibility. How many cases we've seen that through the courts or through the contracts miss on translation. You cannot help or you cannot assist anybody unless you're really able to communicate properly. So that's why we did, and I think it was a good decision to have lawyers, international lawyers with different languages, so there is no barrier, there is no limit on that.
We always want from our team when we make the interviews to starting all of them, first thing is the attitude. We really want people with passion and attitude. But we want also experienced people in order to give at the end the best advice, and this is our key points really on the interviews that we make. Best lawyers with really good attitude and energy. Our offices are based in Costa Blanca, but we give legal advice to any part of Spain, really, any territory, and we move around.
The best way now is the website, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, we could nowadays have a video conference and then see each other from a different part of the world. You need a partner here. When you have a problem, you really need somebody that you could trust and you could work out the best case scenario, the worst case scenario, the best strategy to get the best out of it.
Our attitude is to help people. Many times, how many times we've been in situations where we are not, in that case, like a lawyer, it's just a normal situation of our life, and we try to help people. It's the same as a lawyer because we are experienced on law.
The extra value is taking the client by the hand from A to Z, and as long as client clicks with you and is happy with you, trusts you, and we are a team. We need to work, Pedro, always as a team with a client, isn't it?
That's right.
Always.
That's right.
There is no other way around.